Welcome back to Throttle Vortex, the 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, where technology meets power. Like and subscribe for more powerful reviews. The 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 stands as a titan of American engineering, a breathtaking evolution of the pony car legacy that blends raw, unadulterated muscle with the sophisticated precision of modern aerodynamics. Its design is an aggressive masterclass in functional aesthetics, featuring a widened stance, a massive functional hood vent that breathes life into the monster beneath, and a redesigned front fascia that optimizes airflow while maintaining that iconic, menacing Cobra stare. The carbon fiber accents and the high downforce rear wing signal that this isn't just a cruiser. It's a track-dominating weapon refined for the next generation of speed. Under the hood, the heart of this beast is a recalibrated 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine that pushes the boundaries of internal combustion, delivering an earth-shattering output that clears 800 horsepower with ease. This power is managed by a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission that snaps through gears with clinical efficiency, allowing the GT500 to rocket from 0 to 60 in a blur of blue racing stripes and screaming exhaust notes. The Magna Ride suspension system has been further tuned for 2026, offering a dual personality that can soak up road imperfections during a spirited highway drive or stiffen into a rigid corner-carving setup at the flick of a toggle. Stepping inside, the interior is a perfect marriage of high-performance utility and luxury, surrounding the driver with premium materials like Alcantara and carbon fiber, while providing supportive Recaro racing seats that keep you locked in during high-G maneuvers. The cockpit is dominated by a massive curved digital display that integrates the latest infotainment software, offering real-time telemetry, track apps, and customizable gauge layouts that put every vital statistic right in the driver's line of sight. Advanced technology isn't just limited to the dashboard. It's baked into the very soul of the car, with intelligent drive modes that adjust everything from the steering weight to the active valve exhaust system, ensuring the soundtrack matches the intensity of the drive. The overall driving experience is nothing short of visceral, characterized by a symphony of supercharger whine and V8 roar that resonates through the chassis, reminding you with every throttle input that you are piloting a pinnacle of automotive history. Whether you are attacking an apex on a weekend track day or commanding attention on a city street, the 2026 Shelby GT500 provides a level of engagement and theater that few cars in the world can replicate. It remains a testament to Ford's commitment to the enthusiast, proving that even in an era of increasing electrification, the soul of the American muscle car is alive, well, and more powerful than ever before. This is more than just a car. It is an experience that demands respect, a machine that turns every drive into an event and every road into a stage for performance excellence. From the tactile feel of the steering wheel to the relentless surge of torque that pins you to your seat, the 2026 GT500 is a triumphant celebration of speed, sound, and style that continues to set the gold standard for what a high-performance Mustang should be.